Hey, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create this card using the Bold Bouquet bundle. Here's another card that I made with the Bold Bouquet bundle featuring these lovely flowers with dies to cut them out, sentiments, and some extra leaf dies. I am also using the Nested Essentials dies for the sentiments, as well as some templates for the backgrounds. So I'm going to use one of these templates from the Artistic Mix templates, masks, and you've got these squares, you've got these two pieces, you've got these flowers, this mosaic, and then this nice plaid. So I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive on the back of this to hold it in place. And then place the template on top and use some washi tape to hold the template in place, or the mask. I keep calling it template, it can be either. And I'm going to use some balmy blue, and I'm just going to rub off a little bit. Okay, and then I'm going to add another effect to the background by just doing a little bit of an ombre. So I'm going to add balmy blue all over, but then I'm going to really make it dark on this side. So now I'm just going to adhere this down to the card. This is a 5 1/8 by 3 7/8 piece, so it's a little bit smaller than normal. And then for the Nested Essentials die, I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Highland Heather. And the sentiment originally is long, but I'm just going to ink up a portion at a time to create a shorter sentiment. I've already inked and stamped and cut out a variety of flowers that I can use for the card. So now I'm just going to assemble the card. And I'm just going to use some of these flat adhesive backed curls to add a little bit of bling to the card. And there is my Bold Bouquet card using the Artistic Mix masks. You can get this card kit for $30, or if you place an order for the bundle, or $50 using my current host code, I will send it to you for just $5 shipping.